So this is the kind of class that I like to do when I know I want to work out, but I just feel a little bit creaky. We've all had those days. And I just need a little bit more time to maybe put in some stretches, but then we'll pick it up and we'll move with some vigor. Hands to the ceiling, lift your head, peel forward and stretch, and then roll back through your spine and take your arms up overhead. Now at home, you might still be doing that stretching version, and that's okay. But you have the option to move with flow. All right, let's take the legs to 45 degrees, pause, and then pull it back up. Just 45. 45 degrees lengthen, and then scoop it back up. Good. And one more time slow. Maybe this is the swimming that appeals to you today, taking it long and slow. Or you have the chance to rev it up. Everything lifts and you go as fast as you can, breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. Breathing in